Hey guys, just a small update about Google Professional Certificates. Google offers 5 professional certificates in data analytics, project management, UX design, IT support, and IT automation. And these certifications are 6 months long and it can prepare you for the entry level job in their respective fields. And if you'd like to explore these professional certifications, which can help you get a job, I'll leave the link in description. Do check it out. In this video, we'll see about a free UX design course that is offered by Accenture through futurelearn e-learning platform. So this is a 5 to 6 hours long course in which you can learn a lot of things related to user experience, or you can learn why it is important in this modern era, the research and design basics behind it, and the tools and different testing techniques used in user experience areas. So these are the common things which will be covered in this course, and around 5 to 6 hours content is available for you. As I mentioned earlier, already more than 1,27,000 students have enrolled in this course, and if you spend for 3 weeks, like 2 hours per week, you can complete this course within 3 weeks. And it's a 100% online course, so you can just sit at your home, sit at your room and complete this online course and learn about UX design. And after you complete the course, you can also get a free certificate. For this, you might just need to take some test, and this course is certified by CPT certification service as well, so the content will be very good. I mean, the quality of content which you'll be getting out of this course will be very good, and these are the topics which will be covered in this course. So on week 1, you'll learn about why is user experience important. On week 2, you'll learn about user experience basics, and in week 3, you'll learn about the tools and testing techniques behind it. And as I said, it is certified by CPT certification service. And here they have given in detail like what you can get out of this course, so you can just go through these things. They have given a detailed explanation about what you can learn from this course. And if you just scroll down, you can see here Accenture developed this course. So again, the quality of content will be very good, and it's absolutely free. Make use of these free resources, high quality resources, to learn about UX design. So now let me just tell you what are the things that you'll get in this course. So once you enroll in, you'll get unlimited access to this course, and it includes all the articles, videos, everything. And you have to take a test to get your certificate, and once it is done, you can download your PDF certificate of achievement, which will be certified by Accenture as well as futurelearn. So now let me just tell you how you can enroll in this user experience course. So just click on this register button, and once you click on it, you'll be directed to a page like this. And here, first of all, create an account for yourself in futurelearn platform. So just give your first name, last name, email address, set a password for your account, and click on this register button. Or else you can also use your Google account or Facebook account to create your futurelearn platform account. So that's the first step. First of all, you need to create your account in this platform and log into your account. And once you are logged in, here you will see your icon. And then once you're logged in, you can simply click on this join now button that you see here in the course page, and you'll be automatically enrolled in the course. And you can start completing the content one by one lesson by lesson. You can start completing it, and at the end you might get a quiz. Maybe at the end or at the end of each section you will get a quiz. You have to score a minimum of 70% in that, and then you can download your certificate for this course from Accenture and futurelearn. So I hope you'll definitely find this useful. If you'd like to get more updates about online courses, subscribe to answersQ and press the bell icon so that you'll get a notification whenever I upload a video like this. And you can also join our Telegram channel and follow us on Instagram and Facebook. I'll give you all the link in description. Do check it out.